Are you looking for the best digital multimeters in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best digital multimeters that are available on the market.
I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Number 5. Digital Multimeter, 6000 counts AC, DC current or voltage. The next item on the list is the Digital Multimeter 6000 counts, and it provides many features that you cannot find from inexpensive models. It can be used to measure AC-DC voltage, AC-DC current, true RMS, max, min and so much more. In addition to that, it has a big LCD display that has backlight making you easy to read values even in areas that have low lights. It also has an auto power off and it will turn off when left unused for around 15 minutes. Furthermore, it has a protection circuit that will give strong security when working with it. Number 4. Digital Multimeter, 1000 volts Klein Tools M600. If you are searching for an accurate and moderately priced multimeter, then go for MM600 Digital Multimeter. It is made to be used by electricians and will help them to measure units such as capacitance, AC-DC voltage, AC-DC current, continuity etc. On top of that, it is made to withstand wear and tear, hence it will serve you for a long time. It has a low battery indicator that will show when your battery is low. It has both Cat3 1000 volts and Cat IV 600 volts safety rating, hence it is ideal for usage. It can also withstand a drop of 2 meters as it is made to be strong. Number 3. Fluke 117 323 Kit Clamp or Multimeter Meter Combo Kit. Having the best tools for your work is very important. With the Fluke 117 323, it is ideal for your electrical work as it is fast-acting, rugged multimeter and also general purpose, hence can measure a lot of things at once. In addition to that, it can be used in areas such as hospitals, commercial buildings, schools and more. It can measure current with a maximum of 400 A and provides a true RMS current and voltage accurate measurements all the time. Get yourself this multimeter and you will last with it for a long period as it has a rugged body. Number 2. Fluke 117 RMS Electricians True Multimeter. One of the decent multimeters for accessibility is the Fluke 117. It features integrated non-contact voltage detection that will prevent any chance of having false readings. It is designed for both amateurs and professional electricians who need to take readings of volts, current and more. It will save you much time, enabling you to go from one job to the other with ease. It will help you to troubleshoot many kinds of measurement parameters such as capacitance and frequency. If you need to eliminate ghost and false voltages, get this multimeter as it provides accurate results. Number 1. Astro AI Digital Ohm Volt Amp Multimeter. The Mastec MS8268 is a perfect product if you are searching for a low-cost digital multimeter. It will accurately measure voltage, resistance, continuity, diode and more with ease as it troubleshoots household and automotive electrical problems that may occur. Furthermore, it is simple to utilize and has a big display that has backlit LCD to ensure visibility in areas that have darkness. The items come with 1-year warranty guaranteeing you that this product is of high quality and will make your electrical measuring to be much easy and takes less time.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.